Welcome to the Children's Book Publishing course, How to Write, Design and Publish. I'm so excited to have you here. If you have ever dreamed of publishing your own children's book, whether it's writing for your own kids, or starting independent author business, or maybe working on your client's project, you are in the exact right place. This series is a complete step-by-step roadmap that walks you through the entire creative and technical journey. I will write, design, format, and publish a children's book from scratch, so a new book, right here on the screen with you until we hold the printed copy in our hand. Publishing a children's book might look simple. There are not so many words, just a few beautiful images, right? But anyone who tried self-publish a children's book knows the reality. Blurred images, wrong trim sizes, wrong bleeds, margins, and books getting rejected from Amazon KDP and Ingram Spark. This is why this masterclass exists, to give you a clear, smooth, and professional workflow that you can follow to publish your children's books with confidence. Across this 7-part series, we are going to cover every step of the process. Part 1 is this introduction. In Part 2, we are going to dive into writing the text and creating the illustrations, focusing on character consistency and print requirements. In Part 3, we move to the book formatting, typography, and page layout. In Part 4, we design a beautiful children's book cover. In Part 5, we upload and publish our book with Amazon KDP. In Part 6, we set up and publish our book with Ingram Spark. And finally, in Part 7, we will unbox and review our printed copy from Amazon KDP together. Throughout this series, I will use Affinity, a professional book formatting and design software. We will use Pixel Studio to edit and manually correct our illustrations. For book formatting, we will use Layout Studio, and for cover design, we will use both studios. And the best thing is that Affinity is now completely free. Anybody can download and get it and start formatting their books. I have also complete book formatting tutorial with Affinity. Please also check that course as well. So let's start. In Part 2, we will discuss how to write text and create illustrations for your book, focusing on character consistency, correct color schemes, and some other technical details. So hit subscribe, make sure to save this course, and I will see you in Part 2.